Hello everybody, it's Talia and welcome back to another video. And today's video is going to be a review on the TIJN, I think it's TIJN or TIJN. Not too sure how it's pronounced. Review on the TIJN glasses and sunglasses. I'm really excited, as you can see in the background. That's Theo. Say hi, Theo. Say hi. I tried it out for like a week to see how well. I did pick out 3 pairs, so I'm really excited to show you guys. So if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Thalia and welcome to my channel, guys. You and your family are doing well. And so let's go ahead and start with this video, shall we? Go ahead and start with one of the pairs. So this is TIJN Life is Art, and this is what the package looks like. The package is really nice. It's very simple, nothing too crazy. It's very synthetic package. We use minimalist and eco-friendly packaging for good of our planet, which is great because we definitely need more of this packaging for our planet. This company is that there's so many good selections website, which I'll link it down below. There's like so many great selections you can pick out, from glasses to sunglasses, and you can also get or non-prescription, adjust the size and all that. So I think it's great they do that. Another thing is that they always do great sales, so $20 off. It's just depending how much you spend. It's like so many you can pick out, and I think it's really great. It gives you more options to pick out glasses from your style to simple. I'm always on the computer, like normally to 8 to 12 hours a day. If you're one of those people that get really bad migraines, I'm one of those people who get really bad migraines. So especially if you're on a laptop, computer desktop, tablet, cell phones, or anything that is technology. The package looks like is just give you a little information to check out their Instagram. But when I open this up, you get a little information about their sunglasses, a little cloth to clean up your glasses, and it says Life is Art. Use one of them, so but it says Life is an Art. It comes with a little cloth, so I think it's great because you can always put it in your little case. This card right here, it says Life is an Art, show your inspiration daily life with TIJN Eyewear, and you also get $12 off. It says when the winds are breathing low and the stars are shining bright. That's a cute like quote. I think that's really amazing. So this is what the case look like. It's very simple black case, great size. I hate those really huge bulk case, which it takes up a lot of room. I think this one's really perfect and it will fit in with my small purses that I always carry. Really magnetic case, so it kind of closes up, which is really cool. It's like a really nice soft material from the inside. These are the style clear and color black, and they're the blue light filter description, which is the most basic eyeglasses. And honestly, I really love this style. Glasses, there's like a black frame around it, and it has gold. And then from the side, I really like this because it's like gold and then has this really nice print, and that style is like really amazing. These are the glasses, and honestly, I really love it. They're really beautiful glasses. They're not too long from here. There's some that are really long that I don't like. It's because I do have a small round face, and it looks pretty good. I really like that, and I just love the style. It's like a really gold, or like a little big. They're kind of like open on the side here. I don't know if that's normal because I have one pair that are not like that, but it's really nice. I like it. It's super cute and it really fits me, so love this. My favorite glasses. The next one I got is another pair of glasses. Are very interesting pairs. I They caught my attention, but I wasn't too sure on this style. I'll show you. These are the gold, kind of gives you like the 70 or 60 vibe. Are the gold ones. I kind of like the gold ones. They're not too crazy. These are short. The size of this from the back, it's really short. The frame is a little big, but I think it's great like for accessory. All gold, and it's a little big for my round face because I really have a small head. And honestly, it's really pretty. I really love it. I did wear it like a couple times, but not to work. I just have to feel really comfortable wearing these type of glasses because they are kind of like big, but to lose, they're like so perfect, and they're really good price. On top of that, you can use coupons, which is really great. I like to style these glasses with some cute outfits. I picked out one pair of sunglasses, and this one I actually took the time and effort to pick the right sunglasses. Another cloth, and I haven't opened these, still using the one I just opened from last week. A round face shape. I actually took the time and effort to pick the right sunglasses. I do go out a lot and go to work, and you know the sun here in Vegas is like freaking hot, and the sun is like facing at you. I fell in love with these glasses. These are the gray sunglasses. These are so pretty. I love these guys. I fell in love with them when I first saw them on the website. I'm like, I really want them. And I also looked on Instagram just to see other people's pictures, see how they look, and they look absolutely stunning. Floral grays, that's what it's called, the style. And it's more like a blue black sort of lens, but I love the style. The style is so pretty, and it's gold. So those gold right here. Love the style around the frame of the lens. It's gold, and then here is all gold on. I have really good compliments about these sunglasses, and they're really pretty. I love it. It's not too big, it's not too small. It fits absolutely amazing. I love it. So far, favorite sunglasses that I ever picked out from these collections. Here's not like too open like the other ones. The only thing, it is a little long, so you can see. Really love these sunglasses. They're so pretty. I just fell in love with it. It's super lightweight. The most beautiful sunglasses I ever gotten. So love these. I've been wearing these all the time, and I carry it in my purse. So these are like my go-to sunglasses. Pretty much it for my sunglasses. I did love the clear and the floral gray sunglasses. Those are like my two favorite. The gold, I still have to get used to it and get it out my comfort zone, just because they're a little like too square. I just want to try something different, but you know, I have to get used to it. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.